Good evening, everybody. This is Professor Tawheed Mujar, Training and Placement Officer, Dr. J.J. Magdum College of Engineering. Today we have the team of the one of the reputed and respected organization that is KPIT Cummins. I would, on behalf of Dr. J.J. Magdum College of Engineering, welcome as always, as well as thank the whole team for one live day at our premises. Starting with, I would like to thank Rajendra Konga sir, then Swapnil Bhoyar, then Aditya Apte sir, and Rajesh Raju over here. Okay, starting with the first question I would like to put to Swapnil sir, that from the day we had a conversation after the permission from Rajendra sir, sir, I would like to have how was your whole one live day and the whole approach of Dr. J.J. Magdum College of Engineering Training and Placement Cell?
First of all, good evening all. I'm Swapnil Bhoyar. I'm from KPIT Cummins. So regarding JJ Magdum and the placement facilities over here, I would first of all like to thank Tawheed for calling us and also for coordinating amongst all the colleges in and around this region for making this drive successful for us as well. What I would like to tell is we had our normal process running from the morning with respect to all the coordination and help which was set by Tawheed here. So the facilities here were good. The students were good, so accordingly, as every company has filtering criteria, even we had on our end. We really were happy with the facilities that were provided in the college. We went to the seminar halls, the auditorium, as well as some of the classrooms where the aptitude tests were conducted. So we found the infrastructure of the college good. Mostly it reduced the burden on our end because Tawheed himself coordinated amongst all the TPOs, so be it with respect to PVPIT Budgaon, RIT Islampur or ADCET Asta. I would like to thank all the colleges who are part of this drive, and also last but not the least the coordinators and the students who helped us make this drive successful on our end. So everything went as per our plan. So thanks to JJ Magdum for initiating and holding this drive.
Okay, thank you Swapnil sir. Coming to another important question to Rajendra sir. Sir, how did you find the raw of this year, and what about what good advices would you like to give to the coming final year batch, that is 2013 batch? What things do you really find they should change, and from the student side, from the training placement officers, and again from the management?
Firstly, let me thank you, Professor Tawheed, and all the students and the coordinators. Really, I did came late here, but whatever I saw and experienced, it was pretty good. And I saw the kind of with the passion the coordinators were working towards it. So it's quite a good feeling I get.
Okay.
So coming on to your question, what advice I can give you the coming batch?
Okay.
It is that see, academic marks is one thing which is going to be the basic kind of filter area. That's fine, but over and above the academic, it is what different I can do is what each employer is going to look at it.
Right.
So because as we grow, the business economic situation, everything is going to be challenging. So there's going to be stiff competition. More and more institutes are coming. So there's going to be equal competition in every region.
Right.
So if the student needs to look at is what difference I can make. So what is the valuation I can give to that prospective employer. Study the employer very well. Okay. Right from the IIC, a lot of students, they don't come prepared. Okay. What KPIT's financials audits are, what we do, how we progress, what they can put on their own some inputs, okay, value addition, okay. So these are the things which we expect, okay.
Yes.
So that's what the preparation, obviously.
Okay.
Going out of way and suggesting to the employer themselves. No one like that way, but yeah, fine. I'll look at it. Fine. This guy is giving me kind of inputs, so that's good.
Okay.
And obviously the preparation of how energy you are exhibiting, how passionate you are. So these are the things which I feel the student needs to exhibit. Over and above, obviously your technical basics. What we expect the technical basic to be clear in your fundamental.
Okay.
Nothing beyond that. Okay.
Right.
But the extra efforts what you take is it's what we look at it, and that's what I can advise.
Okay, sir. Again, I would like to know from you. We all know, like the industry is talking about all the institutes, all the rather TPOs are in an a situation that we are not able to react on a word called recession. Okay, so what advice would you like to give us students as well as me, so that we can come out of a win-win situation?
Okay, firstly, there's no recession. Okay, okay. It's just that it's a cautious things are going
It's
on.
nice to hear.
Obviously, okay. So, what the things one can differ, as I said, is like maybe knowing an additional language. Okay, that will cut across additional advantage for your students. Okay, maybe for example, Japanese. Okay, JPLT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even a basic. I don't know which is the basic and which is higher. Okay, so the basic language knowing could be an additional factor.
Right.
Number 2 is, what is the, as I come back to again, what is the different I can add on? Okay, maybe doing, maybe I'm an electronic guy, okay, I do a mechanical also in addition,
Yes.
domain kind of elective,
Right,
okay,
right.
you being now autonomous, you can have that particular flexibility.
Right.
So these are the things can make you ready,
Right.
okay, because you don't know which industry is going to take a hit, okay.
Right.
So when a recession comes, it comes for the entire.
Right.
So it's like how I can give in 1 rupee, okay, what is the output, or I can get for 10.
Right,
That's
sir.
that's kind of thing is happening. So that's what I can look at. If you have anyone have.
Yes.
Just to add on to some things, this is Aditya Apte from KPIT. First of all, thank you all. Thank you the students, the coordinators, the professors, and the TPOs, right? Because at the end of the day, unless and until you guys put in efforts, this cannot be successful. So first of all, congratulate all the students who have been selected today to join the KPIT Cummins family. But couple of things I would like to add is some things are just a learning for some students, those who are not selected and even to those who are selected today. One is there are certain gaps, okay. The communication skills is one major gap which I find, okay. People who are not selected today, if they are going to sit for other companies coming in, they should improve on their basic verbal communication skills, and which is important in today's world.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, these IT students are going to face the global world in the future. And second is, even if you pass out tomorrow and you're joining any organization, say KPIT or any other company, you shouldn't forget your basics, like the basic curriculum, right? It is very, very important because it helps going forward. And I would say, keep up the pace, and you should be well versed with what is happening in the global world in terms of technological developments. You should Google, you should read about your field, some additional fields also, and these things are always an added advantage. If you know a language like a Japanese or a Chinese or a German or a Spanish, it makes a vast difference today, right? But yes, it's a wonderful experience coming to this side of the town. It was my first visit here, so it's a wonderful experience, and good, and all the best.
Okay, sir. I would like to just put you one more question. Like, what would you like to say about the students who have not selected today, especially?
The students who are not selected today, if any students who are not selected today, are they here?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's good. So first of all, let me tell you that you have cleared the aptitude test, you have cleared the technical test, and you have reached the interview level. Or even if you have not reached, I would say it's not the end of the world, okay? Don't feel disappointed, don't feel disheartened, okay? It's not the end of your, like, it's not the only company coming in. You have many other companies coming, probably we might come back, but it's not the end of the world. So don't be disappointed, don't be depressed, okay? It's like we have gone by certain parameters and we have identified certain individuals which we have selected, but that does not mean that you are bad, okay? You are also good, but only thing is, brush up on your communication. There might be some aspects because of which you are not selected today. Might be communication, might be technical abilities, so you need to brush up on certain things, but you have something better is in store for you. So don't be disappointed. That's the only message.
Okay. आपने सर said कि yes, don't get disheartened. मुस्कुराते रहो क्योंकि मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, मुस्कुराकर गम भुलाना जिंदगी है. अरे जीत कर हंसे तो क्या हंसे, हार कर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है. That's it today from Dr. J.J. Magdum College of Engineering. I would like to thank all the team once again to consider our request, and sir, it was really great being with you, and what a pleasant whole day we had with you. Very nice, very supportive and cooperative team. I wish they again come and give us a chance or opportunity next year to serve them with good candidates from this region, and definitely we will give more number of good candidates, clearing all their and taking into consideration all the points what they have told or advised us today. Thank you so much, sir. End of the day. Thank you.
Thank you.